All right, so I was sitting here contemplating on what I wanted to talk about on this last vlog before going to Houston. I was going back and forth between a beard trimming tips and trick video or completely switching gears and answering questions pertaining to fitness and nutrition. And while doing that, something specific came to mind, and that was goals. And then I started thinking about this weekend and the project, and this being the first run, the first trial run, if you will. And then that made me circle back to the fitness questions and the fact that they all had something in common. Not only the fact that they dealt with goals, but that they deal with taking a leap of faith. Whether it be merely taking that first step in order to execute a game plan, or applying for a loan to start a business, or booking a trip to Nepal to climb Mount Everest, they all involve moving forward into the unknown, having faith, taking a risk. Now, we all have things that we want to do, and there's plenty of information out there, and at the same time, a lot of us already know what needs to be done in order to do what we need to do. It's just that first step that's holding us back. And I'm here to say, take that first step.